For me, innovation is the ability to impact society in a positive way. Okay.
And you're looking at it.
Yeah. Oh.
We are creating a new paradigm in higher education with innovation at the core.
For me at Philadelphia University, innovation is everywhere.
The creative atmosphere at Philadelphia University just blew my mind.
We've always believed that we needed to create the professional of the future. We believe more fully that we have the right strategy to make that happen. Our signature learning, our active, real-world, engaged, collaborative environment in the classroom, that is, I think, the first educational construct that truly defines innovation as a part of a curriculum.
Collaboration is an integral component of our program. It's what we do, it's what we've been doing, and what we will continue to do.
Our students are natural collaborators. We need a lot of other disciplines in order to do the work we do as designers. And so having a campus with this rich collection of majors has been sort of like having a playground. We actually go and play with people from all different disciplines all the time.
We're bringing students together from the beginning. So when it comes to later in their curriculum, when they're asked to collaborate in an integrative way, they understand each other's disciplines and they can deal with the ambiguity and the overlaps where their disciplines collide.
It's actually something that'll maybe help them lead the places that they work into the future.
We really understand that collaborative thinking, design thinking is going to be essential, especially stateside in the United States where the creative economy is what is driving so much of industry.
What is one of the primary ways that we can create value now? It's through invention and innovation. It's by creating products and by creating services that add value to those products.
We prepare students to reinvent themselves over their entire career, to take that risk, see into the future, and be always one step ahead of the game.
But it is fun seeing projects, your own and your classmates, grow and develop and prosper. Going back and seeing that first iteration of the project and then seeing that final CAD image of what you really had, like your final idea, and it's glorious.
One of the ways in which we're achieving innovation, and the most dramatic way, is by creating a college that brings together design, engineering, and commerce. We're going to be training students to understand how to synthesize information into frameworks around things that may not exist today. It's active, collaborative, real world, and it's infused with an integrated liberal arts curriculum. And this next step we're making is the boldest innovation stroke we've made yet.
It has always felt that there's an entrepreneurial spirit here, willing to take a pulse on what's happening in industry and in the greater world. And I see that the College of Design, Engineering, Commerce is a perfect example of that.
Philadelphia University fosters innovation by basically pushing you. They help you set goals that are really hard to achieve, and then they push you to achieve those goals.
If you adopt a philosophy of learning where you expect students to keep raising the bar and to keep meeting these challenges, who wouldn't want to hire them?
I think that's part of the empowerment that will create leadership in the professions. So they get this trajectory to become leaders in what they are passionate about.
It's about giving students an intensely creative place to work together. It's about asking them to look at the human condition in a very integrated way and to think about how they can improve it through the things that they create. To take the best of the solutions that they come up with and to implement them in the world to make it a more just and humane place.
Join with us in solving those problems, in teaching students and learning from students, in creating this vastly dynamic environment for everyone to be a part of. That's real world education. That's the signature that is Philadelphia University.